Checking your account balance on Sonix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Sonix app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, look for the dashboard or main menu. This is typically where you can find an overview of your account, including your balance. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review transaction history optional. If you want to see how your balance has changed, look for a link to your transaction history. This will provide details on recent deposits, withdrawals, and other transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared device. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Sonix. Make sure to keep your login information secure for future access.